Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to put lock to your door. Right, so let's say you are using kitchen custom function. Okay, right, so let's say here I put on my base cabinet. Okay, and then you go to swing door cabinet, put it here. Okay, and then let's say I want to put lock to my door instead of handle. So I can click to my carcass. Okay, right click, handle, replace. Okay, so under handle you can go to model library, and then you can just search on lock. So then you will have the drawer lock, okay, which is lock lah. Okay, so you can double click on it. But in this case, we don't want to have it on both. So you just click on your door, right click, handle, and then you delete. So you will have one part to have the lock only. So same goes if you are using to system cabinet. Okay, if I go to system cabinet custom function, okay, and then I just use the universal cabinet. Okay, click on it. Now let me create on the door first. Okay, and then I want to install the handle. So let's say I just want to install on this side, to my right side. Click on it, right click, handle, install. Okay, click to install. And then under model library, you guys can search on lock. So then you will have your drawer lock. Just double click on it. So you will have the lock. Okay, and then another option, let's say in future when you test out, you cannot see the handle, lock handle. Okay, you guys can go out from your custom function. Instead, you can go to cloud library and then you search for lock. Okay, here we have drawer lock. Then you can just drag in and put it to your cabinet. Okay, so this one you need to adjust the position. Okay, let's say you want to move it forward. Oops. Okay, remember to hold on your control button to cancel out the gravity, and then you move it. Right? So this is how you put lock from the cloud library and lock from the customized function. Right? So that is all from me. Thank you.